Assalamualaikum and good day. So today we're going to move to chapter 2 on national income accounting. So basically in this chapter you will learn about the concept of national income together with the calculation of national income using 3 different approaches. So this is the learning objective. You will learn on the concept of national income, but before that we will cover on the circular flow of income in 2, 3 and 4 sector economy. You will learn on the 3 approaches to calculate national income, which are the expenditure, the product as well as income approach. You will learn on other concepts such as personal income, disposable income, per capita income as well as real and nominal income, and finally we will cover on the uses and problems in national income accounting. So we start with the circular flow of income in 2 sector economy. So what is circular flow of income? Circular flow of income refers to the flow of income and resources in the economy, where it can be categorized into a 2 sector, 3 sector as well as 4 sector economy. The 2 sector and 3 sector economy, also known as closed economy, while 4 sector refers to an open economy. So in 2 sector economy, we have household and firms in the economy, where household are the owner of the factors of production, which are the land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. So the household will supply the factors of production to the firms, and in return they will receive income from these factors of production in the form of rent, wages or salaries, interest or dividend as well as profit. This firm, using the factors of production, land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, will produce the goods and services and supply it back to the household, and in return they will receive income from the consumption expenditure. So that is how the income will flow in a 2 sector economy. First, the household as the owner of factors of production supply the factors of production and they receive the income, and the firms, using the factors of production, produce goods and services and supply it to the household, and in return they will get the income based on the consumption made by the household. Next, we move to the circular flow of income in a 3 sector economy. So similar to the 2 sector economy, we have household and firms, but now we have additional government in the economy, where when the government exists, they will charge tax to both household and firms, and using this tax revenue they will spend as well in the economy based on the operating or development expenditure. So the expenditure will goes to the household as well as firms. So the flow would be similar. First, the household, who are the owner of the factors of production, will supply land, labor, capital and entrepreneur to the firms, and in return they will receive income in the form of rent, wages and salaries, interest and dividends as well as profit. So based on the factors of production, the firms will produce goods and services, and they will supply the goods to the household, and in return they will receive income from the consumption made by household. While the government, what they will do is they will charge tax to both firms as well as household, and this tax will be regarded as the government revenue, will be channeled back to the economy or to the household and firms through the government expenditure, such as pay salaries, pay the utilities, the development of the country, including the subsidies given to the household and firms. Next, we move to the circular flow of income in a four-sector economy. So in a four-sector economy, it is similar to three-sector where we have household, firms, and government. But now we have one additional entity, which is the foreign sector. So when we have foreign sector, means we have international trade or import and export activities. So household, as the owner of factors of production, will supply the factors of production or will supply the resources to the firms, and in return they will receive income in the form of wages, salaries, rent, dividend, as well as profit. And this firm, using the factors of production, will produce goods and services and will supply or will sell it back to the household, and in return they will receive the income. Okay, and then the government will charge tax to both the firms as well as household, and this tax will become part of their revenue, and this revenue will be channeled back to the economy through the government expenditure, including the operating and development expenditure, such as they provide subsidies to the household and firms. And finally, for the foreign sector, what will happen is that the household and the firms can involve in international trade activities through import and export activities. So import means the household buy product from the foreign country, and they will receive the item, and in returns the money will flow to the country. While if they export the goods to foreign country, in returns they will receive income. So this is the circular flow of income in a four-sector economy, or also known as open economy. So basically, circular flow of income will show the flow of income and resources in the economy.